Silver City, Idaho is a fascinating ghost town with a rich history. Founded in 1864 after silver was discovered at nearby War Eagle Mountain, it quickly grew into a bustling mining town. At its peak in the 1880s, Silver City had a population of around 2,500 people and approximately 75 businesses. The town was notable for several firsts in Idaho territory, which included the first daily newspaper and telegraph office. It was also among the first places in present-day Idaho to receive electric and telephone service. However, as the silver and gold deposits were depleted, the town began to decline around the time Idaho became a state in 1890. Despite its decline, Silver City was never completely abandoned. Small-scale mining continued sporadically until World War II. Today, about 70 buildings remain, many of which are privately owned by descendants of the original miners. The Idaho Hotel, restored and reopened for tourists in 1972, is a popular attraction offering a glimpse into the town's storied past. Have you ever visited a ghost town? Silver City, Idaho is indeed full of intriguing tales and legends. Here are a few lesser-known stories. The Chinese Tunnels. It is rumored that a network of tunnels was built beneath Silver City by Chinese immigrants who worked in the mines and laundries. These tunnels were supposedly used for various purposes, including secretive movement and storage. The Haunted Idaho Hotel. The Idaho Hotel, which has been restored and is still operational, is said to be haunted. Guests and staffs have reported seeing apparitions and experiencing unexplained phenomena, such as objects moving on their own and sudden drops in temperature, which, if you paid attention to the actual structure of the building, it looks like it could roll down the hill at any moment, but they are still using it. My own personal observation. The Lost Treasure. Legend has it that a significant amount of gold was hidden somewhere in the hills around Silver City by a miner who never returned to claim it. Treasure hunters occasionally visit the area hoping to find the lost fortune. The Vigilante Justice. During its heyday, Silver City was a rough and tumble place with its share of outlaws. Vigilante justice was not uncommon, and there are stories of secret trials and executions carried out by the local vigilante committee. These stories add to the mystique of Silver City and make it a fascinating place to explore. Have you ever been interested in visiting a ghost town or places with rich histories like this? If so, let me know in the comments. Lastly, the road going in is a gravel road. There is potholes. It is a dirt gravel road, so if it's rainy or anything, you may want to think about the vehicle that you're taking down. But I've seen plenty of cars, trucks, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. There's a lot of side-by-sides that use this road. So be careful, and it is, I think it was about a 40-something minute drive in and out. I think it's only like 20-something miles. But I hope you all enjoy, and we'll be getting into town really soon. we took a different road on the way out of town. Road was a little smoother, but it was the same gravel, long, twisted road, barely 2 lanes. So be careful exiting out. We did run across a bunch of side-by-sides. They are pretty safe, but enjoy the scenery. The journey to Silver City was not easy. In the early days, prospectors traveled by foot or horseback, navigating rugged terrain and sagebrush trails. The road was later improved to accommodate stagecoaches, which ran from places like Winnemucca and Elko. Despite these improvements, the journey remained challenging due to the mountainous landscape and harsh weather conditions. Today, the road to Silver City is a scenic drive that offers a glimpse into Idaho's rich mining history. I hope y'all enjoyed this video about Silver City, Idaho. This was my favorite place thus far. I hope to be able to venture to some more ghost towns in the US. If you like what I put out, hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with my upcoming videos. And I do a lot of drone videos. And hit that like button. Anyway, we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.